Have you ever wondered how much affiliate marketers earn? If so, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on the earnings of affiliate marketers, a topic that's as diverse as it is intriguing. You see, earnings in this field aren't a one-size-fits-all situation. They can vary greatly based on factors like the niche you choose, how well you engage your audience, and the marketing strategies you employ. For instance, if you're promoting products in the technology and electronics field, you can expect commission rates between 1 and 10%. But step into the realm of fashion and beauty, and you're looking at 5 to 20%. The health and wellness sector can fetch you over $200, while finance and insurance offer a 5 to 15% rate. Home and garden affiliates can expect a 4 to 10% commission, while travel and hospitality soar high at 20 to 50%. Education and e-learning, along with food and beverage, both offer a commission rate of 5 to 15%. Intrigued? Stick around as we dive deeper into the world of affiliate marketing and its earnings. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing and how do earnings get generated? Let's delve into the fascinating world of affiliate marketing. Imagine it as a virtual marketplace, bustling with opportunities. It is a lucrative online monetization avenue where individuals like you and me can earn passive income by promoting products. But these aren't just any products. They are products that we truly believe in, and we promote them through something called affiliate links. Think of these links as your personal salespersons, working around the clock to earn you commissions. But how does one get these magic links? Well, it all begins with joining affiliate programs. These programs are often run by companies eager to extend their reach, and they're more than willing to share a piece of the profit pie with those who help them do so. Once you've joined a program, it's time for one of the most critical steps: selecting products. Remember, the products you choose should not only align with your interests, but also resonate with your audience. After all, authenticity drives trust, and trust drives sales. Now comes the fun part: generating your affiliate links and weaving them seamlessly into your content. This could be a blog post, a social media update, or even a podcast episode. The key here is to create engaging content that not only showcases the products, but also provides value to your audience. But creating content is just half the battle won. The next challenge is driving traffic to it. This could involve optimizing your website for search engines, leveraging social media channels, or even running paid ad campaigns. Remember, the more eyeballs on your content, the higher your chances of making a sale. Building trust with your audience is another crucial aspect of affiliate marketing. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and always prioritize your audience's needs over making a quick buck. Lastly, tracking your performance and complying with regulations is essential to ensure your affiliate marketing journey is both successful and ethical. Now that we understand the process, let's explore how much affiliate marketers actually make. Affiliate marketers fall into different categories based on their earnings. In the world of affiliate marketing, the journey of every marketer is unique, and so are their earnings. Let's delve into these categories. Firstly, we have the beginners. These are the marketers who are just getting their feet wet. They are still learning the ropes, and their earnings are typically on the lower end of the spectrum. But don't be discouraged if you find yourself in this category. Every expert was once a beginner. Next up, we have the intermediates. These marketers have moved past the initial stages, and their earnings start to reflect their growing expertise. They've gained a decent understanding of the market and have started to see some promising returns on their efforts. Then, we have the advanced marketers. These individuals have tasted success and are now earning a substantial income from their affiliate marketing efforts. Their experience has honed their skills, and they are adept at turning their efforts into profits. The experts are next. These marketers are at the top of their game. They have a deep understanding of the market, and their earnings are impressive. Their success is a result of their hard work, dedication, and strategic approach to affiliate marketing. Following the experts, we have the super affiliates. These are the top earners in the field, the creme de la creme of affiliate marketers. Their earnings are nothing short of extraordinary. They've mastered the art of affiliate marketing and are reaping the rewards of their expertise. Lastly, we have the niche specialists. These marketers have chosen to focus on a specific niche and have become experts in that area. Their earnings can vary greatly depending on the popularity and profitability of their chosen niche. As you can see, earnings vary greatly depending on the marketer's level of experience and niche. Whether you're a beginner or a super affiliate, there's always room for growth and improvement in the dynamic field of affiliate marketing. You might be wondering, how can I boost my affiliate income? Well, let's delve into some effective strategies. Firstly, choose your products wisely. Don't just rush for high commission rates. Ensure the products are relevant, valuable, and resonate with your audience. Next, focus on creating impactful content. Remember, your content is the vehicle that drives your affiliate links. Make it engaging, informative, and persuasive. Optimizing your website is another key step. Speed, mobile friendliness, and SEO are crucial for attracting and retaining traffic. Then we have strategic promotion. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. Diversify your promotional channels to reach a wider audience. Building audience trust is also essential. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships and promote products you genuinely believe in. Tracking your performance is a must. Use analytics to monitor your success and see what works best for your audience. Lastly, adapt. The digital world is ever evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends and be ready to adjust your strategies accordingly. With these tips, you are now better equipped to maximize your affiliate marketing earnings. Affiliate marketing is more than just a way to earn money. It's a gateway to financial freedom and a launchpad for entrepreneurial spirits. With its scalability, you can start small and gradually expand your horizons, all while earning passive income that doesn't tie you down to a 9-to-5 grind. It's an open field with low entry barriers, inviting anyone with a knack for marketing to step in and start earning. But the beauty of affiliate marketing doesn't stop there. Its performance-based model ensures that your efforts are directly rewarded, encouraging constant growth and learning. It provides diversity in revenue streams, safeguarding against financial downturns and market volatility. Moreover, affiliate marketing is adaptable, allowing you to pivot and evolve with changing trends. It's centered around your audience, encouraging you to understand their needs and preferences, fostering a customer-centric mindset. And let's not forget its global reach. The internet knows no boundaries, and neither does affiliate marketing. You can connect with customers from any corner of the world, widening your impact and influence. Finally, affiliate marketing is a playground for innovation. It challenges you to create engaging content, devise effective marketing strategies, and navigate the constantly changing digital landscape. So, the next time you think about affiliate marketing, remember, it's not just about the earnings, but also the vast opportunities it presents.